Hey guys, it's a girl Kissy Unstoppable, and today me I cook goated soup, so stay tuned.
If I can't cook, think you know you pay your pretty look. You want to live a restaurant and come done man bank book.
Hi guys, welcome back.
So guys, these are my ingredients. This are my flour with my little caramel, my little salt in it. Yes, and that are my yellow yam. Yeah, Chilani yam. That girl come from Chilani, so girl no good yam. That are my banana, my Irish, my carrot. And over here, some I'm a goated, I'm a tribe, I boil them, but me tell us that the tribe take long for cook. You see, me never want to put it in a pressure cooker, because pressure cooker make too much noise. But me get to it. Anyway, so I cut up my goated, I'm cut up the tribe a little, make it look smaller. Put it in my pot now because it cook already. Now, so I'm putting in my pot now. I make some little spinach dumpling, drop in there. You can't make no big dumpling. You have to make some little spinach dumpling. You feel me? You know what I say? Yeah. So right this, so now I'm putting my dumplings, so I stir it up like stirring the dumplings, so I stick to the bottom of the pot. Yeah, pot a bubble up right this, so I'm gonna throw in some carrot in the carrot, them beautiful and nice in look at the color. Yeah, I'm dashing my carrot. People may never have no pumpkin, I forget to pick up some pumpkin. Right this, so I peel my yam and I'm gonna put in my yam inside. I cut up my yam fine, because you know, so a soup, yeah, make goated soup. I have some banana right this, so I'm gonna peel off the skin, I just dash in the same so. I'm an Irish potato. I left it, make it boil, stir it in, and make everything combine together and boil. I left it boil, yes. Right, this a pot look good, goated look good in the soup, tripe look good in the soup, yeah. And my first time I met these guys, I made it pretty good, yeah. Watch Dutch pot over there, so I boil up. So I drop in my scale, my thyme, and my pepper, yeah. Because you know, so you have to have a little scotch bonnet pepper, right? That's so, yes, story means, yeah. The water look white, but now watch that because I goated soup, you know? Yeah. So, pot a boil up right there, so watch pepper, pot a boil up, yes, everything look nice and dandy in the pot, everything cook up and, you know, look and tripe, yeah, right there, so pot a go and boil up, yeah, that I'm a goated, me I show them a goated, I'm a tripe, how it looks well soft and nice. So now I'm throwing my goated soup noodle in it, yeah, to get the little flavor and the little color right there, so you know, so you have to add in a little flavor there inside. So my story mean right there, so yeah, story mean in the pot right there, so watch my nice soup right there, so yeah. And as I said guys, this is my first time making goated soup and it tastes good, I'm not lie. Look for meat in a pot. Watch ya. Girl, I cook goated soup for the first time. So yeah guys, so I stir the pot. Look how in the pot look festive and nice right this. So yeah, everything just come out like that. Yeah, girl know how to cook. So soup ready. Okay, you can see the soup ready. The soup look rich and nice right this. So yeah. Wow. So guys, remember, if you're not share my video then yet, please share that video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, you don't know. Look on soup I go in a bowl right there, so I show my little bowl right there, so yeah, girl, it enough now, so girl have to full up the plate, yeah. Watch my nice soup right over there, so with scotch bonnet on top, yeah. So that's how I make my goated soup. So remember, like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, put on the post notification so you know each time good upload a video, you know. So guys, on a scale from 1 to 10, tell me how much I rate this goated soup. Because my first time, as me telling you, my first time I do this. I love goated soup, but guess what guys, I don't eat curry goat, but I love goated soup. But guess what? And my first time and it don't look bad. It turned out good. It don't look bad and it tastes good too. Not because I me do it, but it tastes good. So guys, I say it already. If you don't subscribe to my channel as yet, please subscribe. Put on your post notification. Share out a video. Share it to your family, your granny, your grandpa, everybody. Until next time, your girl is gonna go out. See you guys.